Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by turning the feature on and verifying audio input. Do this now. Go to Settings, enable voice commands, and pick your microphone so F123 can hear you. Once done, run the built-in mic test and adjust gain to avoid clipping. This reduces false triggers. Make sure to select the correct language and create a short voice profile so phrases map reliably. These steps set the foundation, because without clean input your commands won't register during hot laps. Now you map and rehearse the commands you'll need mid-session. Open the command editor, assign concise phrases like box and ERS deploy, and link them to actions or overlays. Do this so you never fumble with menus while racing. Practice in a low-pressure free practice session. This reveals latency and recognition errors. If commands confuse each other, shorten or change the wording, and lower sensitivity to cut false positives. This middle phase trains both you and the system to act. On race day, use voice commands decisively and at safe moments. You want recognition without risk. Trigger commands in clear bursts or enable push-to-talk if the pit lane is loud. This reduces misfires. If a command isn't recognized, repeat it once, then switch to manual control to prevent mistakes. If problems persist, verify mic routing, lower sensitivity, and eliminate similar command phrases, then relaunch the game. A quick reboot often clears stale audio buffers, restoring normal voice response mid-session.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.